Does unboxing your car parts make it feel like Christmas? Let's go ahead and do an unboxing video for you guys. We've got a pretty important package right here that may need to go there. In order to make sure that this is going to work though, we need to get this out of the box. And where did I get this from? This one came from Amazon, guys. This is Amazon steps for my truck, which is Big Red, which is a 2013 Chevy Silverado. So, also, when you order these, make sure you tell them or notify what the cab size is. You could get a quad cab, you could get a regular cab, you could even get this extended cab version. So it does matter which steps you get, so make sure you get the right ones. Let's go ahead and start by cutting our banding. And this one comes with 4 banding straps on it. Okay, once we've cut our banding, now we can, oh, there's one more piece of tape. Didn't see it because I used a different color tape. Alright, here's the first peek inside this box. Here are the steps. So, first thing we want is if there's any instructions. If there isn't, we will make do. But we do want to make sure that all of our stuff is here. So here is our bracketry. We may want to put a much more durable coating on that. What I'm doing now is I'm pulling these out. And I see some directions right there. Maybe that's where the hardware is as well. Yeah, they're nice enough to provide you with gloves that you won't cut yourself. Let's take a look at the directions. So this is how it's going to get mounted up, guys. Pretty basic on how it works. There's going to be clips that are going to go into the back side of the panel. Then we run the bolts in with the brackets. We will hang brackets before we put them on the step, because I'm pretty sure by looking further in the directions, mounting the step is going to be the last part of the task here. So once we've got these lined up, this is showing passenger side right here, guys. So passenger side, it's going to use the bolt holes that are closer up here, and then one back here. The steps I had on here had 4 brackets. Those are those brackets. But those steps allotted for 4 brackets. This new one will not have those mounting points. It will only have so it will only have these 3 inside this channel. That's all that's going to hold it on. This is going to be a full stainless steel step, guys, with a pretty wide pad. It's got about a 6-inch pad. This one is wider than that step there. Those only have about a 4-inch. This is a 6-inch pad. So this will actually provide more securement when standing on it. The only thing I don't like is this is not a tubular design, meaning that it's not completely boxed in. It's a C-channel design. That could be a problem for us in the future, depending on how this step holds up over time. Also, when doing car washes, I need to be concerned with this channel holding mud, dirt, snow, all that garbage. Now, it's better that that holds it than the rocker panel. So I guess on that, maybe it is a good thing, but we'll have to see how much of the rocker panel is actually covered and protected once we mount up these steps. And some of these brackets actually have adjustments to them. Let's see if I can grab one here for you guys. So these brackets do have some adjustment here on this side. And what that allows us to do, let's see if I can get it to sit where I want it to sit. So what this allows us to do is to put our bolt holes in and actually slide this up and down. Meaning that if we don't like how tucked up the step is to the rocker panel, let's say we have a truck with a slight lift, which is what this is. We could bring this down a little bit to make sure that when we step up in, it feels more natural and we're not feeling like we don't need the step because the step is up too high. This is a big problem with Nerf bar styles that mount to the cab mounts. This mounts to the body side, not the cab bolt mounts. So the ones that bolt to the cab bolts, those are a Nerf bar style. They tuck up real tight to the rocker panel, and oftentimes they don't feel natural when stepping up in. Your first step is a really big step in if you have a lift. So know what you guys are going to use these steps for if you are going to use them more regularly to get in and out of the vehicle. Also understand if you've done a lift, you may need to drop the step down just a little bit. But guys, in the next video, we're just going to go ahead and start mounting up our brackets once we get some protection on them. I am going to spray our durable undercoating, which is our bed liner, our truck bed liner, and that will protect these brackets in the future. They will get pitted, they will get rock chipped really bad. So getting a protection on them now before we mount them up is the best play that we have here. So my goal is to get these scuffed, get these bed linered. When they're dry, we can start mounting this stuff up. We'll do separate videos on those processes. But guys, remember, this stuff is just nuts and bolts. I'll see you on the next one.